Welcome to the world of supreme quality dishwasher Dolphin made in Korea. DW3200 PEG door model is loved by every customer for best quality assurance. Dishwashing ability is increased with a specially designed 1 HP jet beam rotation, spray nozzle, and a highly capable and effective cleaning system for various workplaces. This new technology possibly made cleaning quality even better than a hand cleaning quality. Dolphin is designed with a special high-strength plastic which prevents any rust or decay. It's made for a lifetime guaranteed. DW3300 PEG door new model upgraded quality and new technology, and also this environmental hygienic dishwasher increased the effectiveness by the development and use of a specially potent heater, which maintains an appropriate temperature for the booster's cleaning water at all times. This will save your energy bill up to 30%. Also, it can be easily operated and the process can be checked through the display. Fully automatic and convenient to use due to the latest computer technology. Elegant design with beautifully designed colors will upgrade your kitchen. Fully automatic dishwashing system comes in a reality. No noses, special washing pump maximize the wash capability with speed. It can be installed anywhere with easy and speed. Korean-made dishwasher Dolphin is adaptable for all types of dishes and bowls. Dolphin, the professional dishwashing company's goal, is to make 100% customer satisfaction. Various models to choose. Various options are available for customers to order. "200 professional technicians at 17 Dolphin professional stores are ready to serve customers anytime and anywhere. Fast maintenance management by professionals is our goal. For 5 years from the date of purchase, Dolphin Corporation will pay for replacement parts and repair labor to correct defects in materials or workmanship. High-quality customer service will be provided, always. Dolphin brand and our employee are committed to making the world a better place by consulting providing supreme quality and technology. New line of energy-efficient Dolphin dishwashers save more of the Earth's resources than ever before. For the last 7 years, Koreans selected Dolphin as a washer for its significant reduction in energy and as a #1 excellent example of dishwasher. Dolphin is very proud to offer you a full line of supreme quality dishwasher. I really worried about prices, but my worries are gone after I purchased and used the Dolphin. I even saved more money by using it. I was really impressed that it can be easily operated and convenient to use. There was no difficult resident and machine to clear the bowl so neat. Dolphin is made professionally and I was very surprised to see the results. I wanted to have Dolphin, but my kitchen is so small. But That was my worry. It was installed in my kitchen with easy and I'm so happy.
여러분한테 꼭 권해드리고 싶습니다.
Dolphin is devoted our human resources and technology to create superior product and service. Dolphin stands by its commitment and to excel as a world-class company. We are making strong efforts to maintain its leading position in the international market. Since 1991, our value and philosophy to a better global society focused on the highest achievement. Dolphin is truly a global giant and has been recognized as one of the world's best brands. See it for yourself.